Gland Pharma has received the SEBI approval to launch its 6,000 crore IPO. Here's all you need to know about it. Gland Pharma Limited is a pharmaceutical company that was founded in 1978 to manufacture and market heparin injection for the domestic market, now with a global footprint across 60 countries. It operates primarily under a business-to-business (B2B) model. The company is owned by Shanghai Fosun Pharmaceutical Limited, which is a Chinese company. IPO details. Issue opens November 9, 2020. Issue closes November 11, 2020. Price range 1,490 to 1,500. IPO size 6,479.5 crore. Lot size 10. Current situation. Their total revenue from exports to US is about 67%. And still Biden is the president-elect right now. This could change the revenue percentage for the next year. Raw material supply disruptions due to strained India-China relations. CAGR, compounded annual growth rate, tells you what an investment yields on an annually compounded basis. India is growing at a CAGR of approximately 9.3% in pharma, compared to other countries. The company's total revenue from operations has grown at a CAGR of 27.38% from 2018 to 2020. EBITDA at a CAGR of 36.90%. EBITDA stands for earnings before interest, taxes, depreciation, and amortization. PE ratio, price to earnings ratio. Ratio of a company's share price to the company's earnings per share. The ratio is used for valuing companies and to find out whether they are overvalued or undervalued. PE ratio of pharma is 37.9. For this IPO, the PE ratio is 39.36. Comparing both, we can see that the IPO is slightly overvalued. How to apply for IPOs in Zerata and Upstocks, and how to increase IPO loss and shares will be explained in the upcoming videos. Are we applying for this IPO? Is it for listing gains or long-term? Get live updates on November 11th. Follow us on Instagram and Facebook. Links are in the description below. Subscribe to our channel to learn how to trade the market. Thank you.